Good morning, ma'am. I am Cornel Abera.
And I'm Leon Jean A. Vega.
Now we are going to interpret the message of print advertisement.
It seems that Jollibee Chicken Joy is being promoted as an irresistibly delicious meal that brings happiness.
It can maybe targeting people who love fried chicken, especially Filipinos who associate Jollibee with comfort food and family bonding.
The subject is a woman happily eating chicken joy, emphasizing enjoyment and satisfaction.
The picture suggests that Jollibee Chicken Joy is so crispy and juicy that people can't resist savoring it, as seen in the woman's delighted expression and her licking her fingers.
The advertisement embodies Filipino food culture, happiness in eating, and the idea that Jollibee brings joy to every meal.
Now let's move on to our personal reaction or opinion.
We find this advertisement convincing and appetizing because the colors, text, and image work together to make the food look irresistible.
What we find most effective is the phrase crispylicious and juicylicious because it highlights the best qualities of Chicken Joy in a catchy way.
What we do not like about the advertisement is that it could have included more variety, like showing friends or family enjoying the meal together to enhance the theme of bonding.
What strikes us the most is the confident and satisfied expression of the woman, which makes us crave Chicken Joy.
It makes us think of moments when we eat Jollibee with family and friends, creating happy memories.
It reminds us of other fast food ads that focus on customer reactions, like McDonald's or KFC, but Jollibee stands out by using a uniquely Filipino approach.
In our opinion, this advertisement is simple yet powerful as it effectively tempts viewers to try Chicken Joy by using emotions, vibrant visuals, and engaging tagline.
And that would be all. Thank you and mabuhay!